Losing weight boils down to using up more calories than you actually consume. It seems simple enough, but the hardest part is actually making it happen. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We talk about health, fitness, and nutrition, and of course, just my typical health journey, so hopefully it will help you with yours. And today I'm going to give you simple tips on how you can save 600 calories a day. The first one is for all you dairy lovers, and it's simply replace your whole milk for fat-free milk. Replace your whole milk habit with a fat-free fix, and every 16 ounces you trade, you'll save over 130 calories. Feeling adventurous? Opt for unsweetened almond milk instead of your whole milk, and you'll save even more, over 230 calories per 16 ounces. Tip number 2, swap your regular soda for bubbly water or seltzer water. One 20-ounce regular Pepsi clocks in at 250 calories. Substitute just one regular soft drink a day with a seltzer water or sparkling water, and you won't just save yourself 250 calories, you'll also spare yourself a whole lot of sugar. Seltzer water counts toward your daily water intake on the Nutrisystem weight loss plan. Tip number 3, substitute fruit juices for the real deal. Many commercial fruit juices are packed with added sugars, plus they're typically higher in calories than their raw fruit counterparts. Swap your 12-ounce glass of regular apple juice for a medium apple, and you'll save yourself about 100 calories. And last, but definitely not least, have mustard, not mayo. Top your sandwiches with 2 tablespoons of mustard instead of the same amount of mayonnaise, and you'll save yourself over 175 calories. Save even more calories by skipping the cheese and stuffing your Sammy with extra veggies, like extra lettuce, extra tomatoes, you get it. If you want to get more tips on losing weight or how you can integrate these things into Nutrisystem, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on notifications so you get all of my future videos. Comment down below if you already integrate any of these in your day-to-day diet or if you plan to. And don't forget, if you want to try Nutrisystem for 50% off, there's going to be a link down below in the description box and in the comments. Let's keep building up our health journey community. I love you guys, I appreciate you, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.